At the beginning of August, the Meizu 16 came in two versions, a standard version and a Plus variant with a larger screen and battery. According to Jack Wong, CEO of Meizu, a third addition to the portfolio of 16 will arrive in September with the name 16X, previously rumored to be Meizu X8. The supposed superior Midranger has just obtained a comparative evaluation in AnTuTu. A Meizu phone with the model number M1872 obtained 164,726 with a Snapdragon 710 chipset, hinting that this is really the Meizu 16X. The list also reveals that the phone will have Android Oreo 8.1, probably used as the basis for the latest Flyme user interface. The Meizu M1872 will have 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, but hopefully it will also have a microSD slot to expand. The resolution of the phone is interesting. It has 2160 x 1080 pixels or a ratio of 18:9. It means that the Meizu 16X will probably stay away from any notch, unlike many other Chinese companies such as Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, etc.